I'm going to show you how to add an agent on the WeBill Field Manager application. We are now on our dashboard. The first thing we are going to do is hover over the Workforce tab in the main menu on the left and click on the Agents button. Once on the Agents page, click on the Add Agent button located on the top menu. Here you are going to fill in all the necessary details for your agent. First name, last name, cell number, email, and ID number are all required fields. The profile picture is optional but is recommended. Once you have added an agent, the agent will receive an SMS with their username and temporary password.